OnePlus has unveiled their latest flagship, the OnePlus 9 Pro, and as always, they have come up with a sleeker design, sharp camera quality co-developed by Hasselblad, and a colorful LTPO AMOLED display. But what if this phone slips out of your hand somehow and gets cracked? Seems quite heartbreaking, right? To protect your valuable smartphone, it's better to always wrap up your phone with a protective case. In this video, we'll be showing you the top 5 best OnePlus 9 Pro cases to protect your smartphone with maximum durability without compromising its gorgeous design. So without further ado, let's get started. Get the best protective case that also gives more aesthetic look to your device. The OnePlus Karbon bumper case is designed exclusively for your OnePlus 9 Pro. Made with an 11-step procedure, this case has got the strength of aramid fiber and is also high temperature resistant and anti-corrosion so that your phone will be shielded from any kind of external scratch. With this case, you'll have your phone perfectly wrapped and a very good gripping due to its texturized body surface. The fronts and backs of the case are slightly raised, and this lightweight and flexible case will keep your phone safe, absorbing most of the impacts within itself. So give an upgrade to your phone and enjoy full peace of mind with this OnePlus Karbon bumper case that'll make sure your phone remains safe from all sorts of external damage. Combined with a classic look, fashion vibes, and protective elements, the OnePlus 9 Pro flip case from Redluckstar can protect your phone as well as allow some extra spaces for your cash or necessary cards. The case is built from PU leather and thermoplastic polyurethane, which is designed to provide all-around protection to your phone. The flip cover is built from premium and flexible material that does not scratch your phone. Both the front and back cover plate of the case stays connected to each other with a strong magnet. So just bring them closer and they will automatically get attached. The case comes with 3 card slots and a built-in cash pocket, so even if you forget to bring your wallet, this flip case can get your job done. With this single flip case, you can ensure your phone's full protection along with carrying other essentials conveniently. If you're looking for a protective case but also don't want to compromise the looks and design of your OnePlus 9 Pro, then get yourself introduced to the crystal clear slim case from AINOYA, which also comes at a very lower price. Made from thermoplastic polyurethane material, this non-toxic and environmentally friendly case provides ultra protection to your device from any kind of shocks or damage. This soft and flexible case clearly shows your phone's design with full transparency, which gives it a more natural look. To ensure maximum safety to your camera bump and display, the case offers up to 1mm raised camera edges, so get your OnePlus 9 Pro fitted with this extremely good case so your phone will never fall out and get dust in. Meet this extremely durable and rugged protector case Fusion-X from Ringke, which is made to protect your OnePlus 9 Pro from sudden shocks or maximum impacts. Built from thermoplastic polyurethane combining with high-grade polycarbonate materials, the case is tested and absorbed impacts without damaging your device. The see-through design of the case lets you show off the original design of the device, so you can feel the actual perks of your OnePlus 9 Pro. Its rugged exterior provides a better grip and fits on one hand properly so that you can handle the device more comfortably. The case comes with built-in dual quick catch lanyard holes that double the protection, as you can attach hand or neck straps with the holes to carry it easily. With this case, you can ensure military-grade protection for your phone, so if you love to adventure a lot, then you must get this case for your phone. Keeping a slim and lightweight design, the Spigen liquid air armor fits with your OnePlus 9 Pro perfectly, making it shock-proof. Designed to have a very good grip on your hand, the case comes with only 0.11 inches of thickness so that you can easily slip it into your pocket. The surface of the case is fingerprint resistant, and its anti-slip technology makes you feel much more comfortable with every grip. It also comes with military-grade protection and air cushion technology for anti-shock protection so that you can enjoy your full peace of mind even if it suddenly slips off your hand. So protect your OnePlus 9 Pro by providing it a durable case from Spigen that ensures the full safety of your smartphone. So that is a list for the best OnePlus 9 Pro case just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you find this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.